next we are discussing type 8. Type 8 is what? Integration of 1 divided by linear equation 1 into linear equation 2 to the power m, where m is greater than or equal to 1. And second is integration of 1 divided by quadratic into linear equation 2 to the power m, where m is greater than or equal to 1. Then how to integrate these two types of problems? So to integrate this one, what you will do, here L2 equal to what you will take 1 by t, and here also this linear equation will assume 1 by t. So here what you will do, L2 equal to 1 by t. Then everything we have to convert in terms of t. Then these two form will come as simple integration form. That integration we can do easily. For that we are taking one example. That example is integration of dx divided by x minus 1 into x plus 1 to the power 4. So this is linear equation 1 and this is what linear equation 2 to the power m. M is what? 4. Then how to integrate this one? So we will discuss here procedure. Same process we will use to integrate these two types of equations. So we will discuss here. So here what you will do, this L2 x plus 1 we will assume as 1 by t. So first thing we have to find out dx. So you will differentiate this one. So dx equal to what will come? 1 differentiate 0 and 1 by t differentiate minus 1 by t square dt. Now everything we have to convert in terms of t. So we have to find out x value first. So x value is what? 1 by t minus 1. So x value what will come here? 1 minus t divided by t. Okay. Now everything we have to convert in terms of t. So what will come here? 1 divided by x minus 1. So here x value is what? 1 minus t divided by t. So what will come here? 1 minus t divided by t minus 1 into, instead of x plus 1 what we can write? 1 by t. So 1 by t to the power 4 and dx. So dx is what? Minus 1 by t square dt. So this is called minus 1 by t square dt. So here we will take LCM. So this will come out integration of 1 divided by, if I take LCM here what will come? LCM is t and this will come out 1 by t as it is, 1 minus t as it is, and here what will come? Minus t into 1 by t power 4 into minus 1 by t square dt. So this t square and this t power 4. So what will come here? T square. T square, t into t square, t cube. So t cube will come in numerator. So what will come here? Integration of t cube divided by 1 minus t minus t. So 1 minus 2t. And this what? Minus of dt. Minus of dt. So this minus we will take here. So this will come out integration of t cube dt and denominator will become 2t minus 1. So from denominator we will take 2 outside. So 1 by 2 is outside. Integration of t cube dt divided by t minus 1 by 2. Now how to integrate this one? So to integrate this one what you will do? 1 by 2 is outside. Integration of t cube and here what we will do? Minus 1 by 2 cube we will subtract and we will add also plus 1 by 2 whole cube. Okay, so here we are subtracting minus 1 by 2 whole cube and we are adding plus 1 by 2 whole cube divided by what will come? T minus 1 by 2 dt. Now what you will do? T cube minus 1 by 2 whole cube. This one we will do separate and 1 by 2 whole cube we will do separate. And here we will use formula a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is what? A minus b into a square minus plus ab plus b square. This will come. So what will come here? 1 by 2 in bracket integration of, this will come what? T minus 1 by 2 into t square plus 1 by 2t plus 1 by 4 divided by t minus 1 by 2 dt and 1 by 2 whole cube, that means 1 by 8 outside. Integration of dt divided by t minus 1 by 2 bracket close. So here t minus 1 by 2 and t minus 1 by 2 getting cancelled. So what will come here? 1 by 2 in bracket integration of t square plus 1 by 2 t plus 1 by 4 dt. This is quadratic equation, and this integration we can do directly. So t square integration what will come? T cube divided by 3 plus 1 by 2 outside. Integration of t is what? T square divided by 2 plus 1 by 4. And integration of 1 what will come? T plus 1 by 8. And integration of dt divided by t minus 1 by 2. This one integration ln modulus of t minus 1 by 2 will come. Bracket close plus constant. Now here we have to put t value. So t value we can find out from here. So from here t value what will come? 1 divided by x plus 1. So from here t what will come? 1 divided by x plus 1. So this integration what will become? I am writing here. This integration 1 by 2 is outside, in bracket t cube divided by 3. So this is 1 by 3, 1 divided by x plus 1 whole cube plus 1 by 4, 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square plus 1 by 4 into t. So plus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 8 ln modulus of t value is what? 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus c. This is your answer. Okay, so like that we have to integrate.